Appropriately assigning commission plans to billing codes is key to ensuring that commission will be calculated as intended. This video will cover how to assign commission plans to billing codes. To assign a commission plan to a billing code, open to the Sales Plan tab of the billing code. If you wish to assign a commission plan to a billing code as the default, simply select the Default Commission Plan dropdown and choose your commission plan. If this field displays commission exempt, then this item has no default commission plan. To assign different commission plans based on parameters such as the regional location or whether the item is administered or dispensed, you will use Commission Plan Overrides located in the lower section of the Sales Plan tab. If you wish to only use commission plan overrides, leave the default as commission exempt. Single-click on Commission Plan from the list of override rules. Choose the commission plan from the override dropdown and select any conditions that apply to this commission plan. In this example, my first commission plan override only applies in ambulatory and racetrack location types, which I choose by selecting the conditions dropdown, checking location type, and choosing the location types. I can select to have this override apply for only administered or dispensed items using the administered and dispensed checkboxes on the right-hand side of the overrides. You have the ability to assign both a default and override commission plan in cases where you wish to have one default with exceptions made in the case where overrides are used. Overrides override the default commission plan in cases where both may apply. They do not double up. If you have multiple overrides with the same conditions, the first override at the top will be used before any below it. It is critical to remember that any changes to commission plans or their assignments are not retroactive on transactions that have already occurred for billing codes. That concludes our session on applying commission plans to billing codes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video.